Day 2, how are you? Good morning.
Hi. Oh, I thought you were talking to someone.
You're live on YouTube.
Long hike, baby. Baby, do your first hike.
Wow.
First hike.
Kicking, ready to go?
He's ready to go. Nice and warm. They're like filing.
Hi, Karen.
On the map where you guys came from, you guys took the ship right through the Narrows, and then came up through here. And you got off the ship right about here, and you went over here, got into the warehouse. Each one of those layers is a year, where the glaciers went through here and pounded down the dirt. And then during the summer, the glaciers receded and new dirt was added. And where the glaciers came back again, pounded out that dirt. So each one of those layers is a year. And this is the rock. But the deal with it is, it really is compressed dirt. So, there we go. Snap, snap, very pretty.
Going into the Hobbit lair. On.
And another thing you'll see are a lot of little black tubes going underneath the trail. If those weren't there, this trail would get washed away in a year.
Flat.
Is all the moss stuff? Is that all like the mossy type stuff? Or
Yeah, the muskeg.
Muskeg. Muskeg Sally.
Okay,
Yeah, were you?
I don't know about you guys, but here's where I'm starting to smell the plants.
Yeah.
You guys smell that a little?
Well, yeah, a little bit.
It's a little sweet. That is all of these leaves here.
See some salmon?
Yeah.
Salmon?
Look, you can actually see through the root system. Our average soil level around here is about 4 inches. It does not go down very far. All of the trees have very shallow roots. And because of that, they're pretty easy to knock over.